Hello everyone, today we will build a circuit on the FPGA. Here in the picture, this is a multiplexer from two input, two channels. Select to one. Here this is an output. That means you select the S switch to select the channel 1 or channel 2 to the output. So here in this picture, we build on the protoboard or breadboard in the real circuit, but in this we will program on the FPGA. So the first step, you open the virtual box here and open Xilinx ISE. After you open it, you click File and New Project. Select a location here. I set a new location and set the project name MUX2to1, and then click at top level sort type. I select a schematic here and click next. Then check here. For this project we use the Xilinx XC pattern here and general purpose pattern 3E, pattern TE XC3S100, and this is a package CP132. For the speed, I'm not sure. For the speed is maybe we use by default. By default is -5. Okay, then and click next. Click next and finish. After that, we have here in this XC3S100E-5, and then click the right mouse and click new source. Click add schematic here and type schematics MUX2to1 and click next. Click finish. Now we have a location for drawing the circuit here, and then for the circuit we have 2 AND gate, 1 OR gate and 1 NOT gate. Here we put 2 NAND gate, 2 AND gate, sorry, AND gate 2 here. For this, I rotate by Ctrl R. I paste here 2 OR gate, 2 AND gate, and 1 OR gate. OR gate 2 input. I paste here, and inverters. Oh, sorry, inverter here. Okay, now for the circuit, I draw the circuit, connect zoom in control and rotate the mouse to zoom in. Then click at the Y and draw the Y, and then the Y is we have a 3 input, and in this connect to NOT gate, and here connect to another one, yeah. Yes, okay. Now for the input, I draw it to here for place input port. Okay, now in this you click at here. This is a add IO marker. We put an IO marker. After that, we have a 3 inputs, 3 input and 1 output. So now look at the FPGA board here. It have a label for location in the switch or the LED. So I have a symbol. So I have a document for the location in the FPGA board. For this, I set input switch NT N3 for the channel 1, NT for the channel 1, and E2 for channel 2, F3 for the switch S. And for the output, I set at the M5. Okay, now we will set the location. So here this is a S switch, that is a F3. I click right mouse and protect object property F3, apply, and then for channel 1 N3, and for channel 2 is E2 here, E2, and the output I set at M5 here, M5. I think this is a complete, and then click save. You click at the project, click here, click that project here, and click process. Now we will set a map for the label here. This is a label to the location, real location on the chip. So I drag for select all and click at for plan area here, click run. It will have a dialog here. This is a dialog for mapping label. This is a label E2, F3, M5, and N3. So we must type again E2 to real location, F3, M5, and N3. Okay, then click save. After that, after your click save, moving back to the program and click at the here, click run to generate the output. Program will compile the circuit. After compile complete, it show the green symbol right here, and then we will program to the FPGA board. The step for programming, you must connect the USB port here to your computers, and then you click at device, click USB, and click at Digiland adapt USB device. It will active the USB. For here, if you active the device complete, you click at the adapt program. It will show connect here. That means connection complete. You can test the device by click start for testing function. For the FPGA board, it will show the value, the number on the 7 segment right here. Okay, now we will program. Click at the config and click browse. Move to a location for your project. For project, I set at MUX2to1. and click here and click open, then click start, click program. This is a view program to the FPGA. Okay, then you check the output by move the switch for select the channels. Then I suppose I click change channel. Okay, for here in this step you program it complete and move to the laboratory sheet and test by move the sliding switch and write down the output to the laboratory sheet. If you have a problem, you can ask me on the laboratory. Okay, now I think this is a complete for program the circuit. You can apply by draw another circuit and program right in this step for your projects. Thank you and bye bye.